story. I don't mind, no. Move, keep it steady, never falter.
Introducing RazorTOOTH saws from Corona. RazorTOOTH saw blades are engineered with high-carbon Japanese SK5 steel. RazorTOOTH saws also have a final hard chrome layer applied to the blade which reduces friction during the cut. This also provides a rust preventative layer for longer life. Each saw tooth is triple ground, providing 3 multifaceted angles for easier cuts. They have up to 6 teeth per inch to cover more cutting surface with fewer strokes. The focused impulse hardening process on the teeth maintains sharpness even after multiple cuts. RazorTOOTH saw blades are featured in a series of Corona pruning tools including folding saws, fixed saws, and pole saws. So you can finish all your tree trimming tasks fast and efficiently. Corona Tools, the confidence you need to get the job done right, season after season.